Chapter 14 Hanumadvarnit Ram Vruttantah. In Sanskrit literature, Valmiki is considered the Adikavi. The Anustup meter, that is, a special kind of meter of 4 padas, which has been used and is still in use in great measure in Sanskrit literature, is believed to have been invented by Valmiki. As the Ramayana was composed by him, it is called the Adikavya, and as he was a rishi, it is also called Arshakavya. The Ramayana has 7 kandas, that is chapters. The first kanda is Adikanda and the last Uttarakanda. It is estimated that there are a total of 24,000 slokas in the Ramayana, and hence it is also called Chaturvishanti Sahasri Samhita. In ancient times, when all books were written by hand, the Ramayana too has been written in manuscripts. Collecting many such manuscripts from India and abroad, Department of Indology, MS University, has prepared a free from fault edited version. The following verses have been taken from the Sundarkanda of the Ramayana. Hanuman goes to Lanka and meets Sita in Ashoka Vatika. In order to convince Sita that he really is a messenger of Rama, he shows her Rama's ring and also narrates in short the major events of Rama's life so far. During this, he also describes Rama's qualities. We should remember that these qualities have made Rama great, and if we are able to imbibe these qualities, we too can become great. This is what we have to learn from this lesson. Raja Dashratho Nama Rath Kunjar Vajiman Punyashilo Mahakirtihi Rujurashinma Hayashaha. Translation: There was a king by the name Dashrath who was very famous, straightforward, righteous, rich in glory, and who possessed chariots, elephants, and horses. Tasya putraha priyo ज्येष्ठ स्थाताराधीपनी भाननः रामो नाम विशेषज्ञः श्रेष्ठः सर्वधनुष्मताम्. Translation: His eldest son, Rama, who is dear to him, is the best among all the archers, who has excellent knowledge and whose face is like the moon. Rakshita swasya vruttasya swajansyapi rakshita. Rakshita jiva lokasya dharmasya cha parantapah. Translation: Rama is the one who guards his own conduct, protects his own people, protects the earth, religion, and subdues his enemies. Tasya satya bhisandasya vruddasya vachnat pituhu. Shabharyah sah cha bhratra virah pravajito vanam. Translation: He, the brave one, set out to the forest along with his wife and brother by the order of his old father, who was wanted to be true to his promise. Tena tatra maharanye mrugayam paridhavata rakshasha nihtaha sura bahavaha kamarupinaha. Translation: There, in the great dreary forest, while pursuing the animal to be hunted, he killed many brave demons who assumed forms according to their desire. Jansthan vadam shrutva nihato khardushanon tatsatvamarshā pahyata Janaki Ravanenatu. Translation: Having heard about killing in Janasthana, the demons Khara and Dushana were killed by Rama. Then Sita, the daughter of King Janaka, was kidnapped by Ravana in anger. Vanjayitva vane Ramam Mrugrupena Mayaya Samargamanastam Devim Ramah Sita Maninditam. Translation: On the other hand, Sita was kidnapped in anger by Ravana, having deceived Rama in the forest by the form of false deer. Rama searching the blameless Sita. Asasadavane mitram Shugrivam nam vanaram tatah sa valinam hatva Ramah parapuranjayah. Translation: In the forest, Rama met a monkey called Sugriva as his friend. Then, having killed Vali, Ayachattak pirajyam tu Shugrivaya mahatmane Shugrivena bhinsham dishtya haranaha kamarupinaha. Translation: Then Rama gave away the kingdom of monkeys to the great Sugriva. As commanded and sent by Sugriva, the monkeys capable of assuming forms at their will. Dikshu sarvashu tam devim vichinvantah sahasrasah aham sampati vachnan chato Yojanmayatam. Translation. The monkeys, thousands in number, were searching for that revered lady Sita in all the quarters. By the words of Sampati, I crossed the ocean having the length of 100 yojanas. Tasya heto virshalakshyaha samudram vegvan plutah virrameva muktava savacham vanarapungavah. Translation. I, a swift monkey, crossed the ocean for the sake of the broad-eyed lady Sita. Having spoken these words, Hanuman, the excellent among the monkeys, kept silent.